One, two, three. Ready? Start. In exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 of the Commercial Codes, Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Courts Act 2015 within bracket number 4 of 2016, the state government of Bihar, in conclusion with the High Court of Judicature at Patna, is hereby pleased to constitute the commercial court in the district civil courts situated in all the divisional headquarters of the state to hear cases of commercial disputes of the value of rupees 1 crore or above and appoints the district judge posted in the civil court of the divisional headquarter as judge of the commercial court constituted hereunder in the concerned division, who will discharge the duties of this court in addition to these normal duties, full stop, para change. The local jurisdiction of these courts shall be the revenue limits of the concerned division, para change. This notification shall come into force with effect from the date of its publication in the official gazette, para change. Section 15 of the Commercial Courts Act relates to transfer of pending cases which is being reproduced below, para change. Transfer of pending cases, all suits and applications, including applications under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 within bracket 26 of 1996, relating to a commercial dispute of a specified value pending in a high court where a commercial division has been constituted, shall be transferred to the commercial division, para change. All suits and applications, including applications under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 within bracket 26 of 1996, relating to a commercial dispute of a specified value pending in any civil court in any district or area, in respect of which a commercial court has been constituted, shall be transferred to such commercial court, full stop, para change, provided that no suit or application where the final judgment has been reserved by the court prior to the constitution of the commercial division or the commercial court shall be transferred either under subsection within bracket 1 or subsection within bracket 2, para change, where any suit or application, including an application under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 within bracket 26 of 1996, relating to a commercial dispute of a specified value, shall be transferred to the commercial division or commercial court under subsection within bracket 1 or subsection within bracket 2. The provisions of this act shall apply to those procedures that were not complete at the time of transfer, para change. The commercial division or commercial court, as the case may be, may hold case management hearings in respect of such transferred suit or application in order to prescribe new timelines or issued such further directions as may be necessary for a speedy and efficacious disposal of such suit or application in accordance with order 11A of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, within bracket 5 of 1908, full stop, para change, provided that the proviso to sub-rule, within bracket 1 of Rule 1 of Order 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, within bracket 5 of 1908 shall not apply to